everyone, I'm Tammy from the art faculty and I'm working from home now, so I'm going to share with you how I make homemade sushi. Sushi rice, 1.5 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. It's now cooking in the rice cooker. Ingredients, I have tuna, cucumber, smoked salmon and crab stick. Start cutting up my cucumbers into slices. Sushi rice is done. You're going to mix sushi vinegar with the rice. Sushi vinegar will help to give it flavour and also allow the rice to be more sticky. For 1 cup of sushi rice, you use a bit less than a quarter cup of rice vinegar. Took a king wrap and then I put it on top of the sushi mat to hold the seaweed and the rice together. Now for the fun part. So I've got a bowl of water here and this is to dip your hands into because the sushi rice will get quite sticky. Make sure to leave some gap at the sides. Later when you fold, there's some excess space here. Cucumber. And I'm going to put salmon. So now you want to wet this edge of the seaweed so that it can act as like a kind of glue to stick on later and roll. So squeeze in tightly first. The first part to stick in the first layer. And then you can see that there's a shape here already. Then you keep rolling. And push as you roll. And you've got one sushi. We've rolled up all our sushi, we can cut them up and place them into lunch boxes. I have the art faculty lunch boxes that just launched. And just nice is sushi. You can mix and match the flavors. Fit in the fridge for me to eat anytime. Yay. Hungry lah. Stay safe, make snacks, and good night.